Bulgogi marinade is good with vegetable stew. My first choice of veggie is eryngii. Dry saute 200 grams of eryngii without oil for 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off the stove and immediately add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir fry as quickly as possible cause mushroom absorb liquid like a sponge. Now add the rest of the bulgogi ingredients. Sesame oil, half a tablespoon, sugar, half a tablespoon, and some black pepper. You may add some onions and carrots too. Toast them around and light the stove again to start cooking on medium-low heat. In a minute or two, your vegetable bulgogi is ready. You can do the same with zucchini, shitake, or any vegetable you want. I dry saute the vegetable first to make a meat-like texture and then add marinade. All 3 vegetable bulgogi were so delicious. But wait, why not mix all? The final mixed one was the best in flavor. You can add more sesame oil, green onion, and sesame for better taste. More explanations are in the description. 안녕! Dear fellow YouTubers, if you're using my recipe, please mention my channel.